Hello YouTube, so let's see how this iPhone 14 and also looks like it fits the iPhone 12 and 13. What comes in the box here is supposed to be very durable, and also it floats, right? So as you can see, pretty big. And this comes with this little plastics here. I will show you later. There is a strap. This is something that holds right here in the bottle, so you can use this strap. And this is probably what seals this little packages here. This teaches you how you do it, and like you can see, probably holds a lot of, impact. So I will use this. Phone will float and it's not going to sink. So here we are. Let's make a test right here of this. It's supposed to float, and I did already test it. You see it's already wet. I have there an iPhone 14. See, it comes back to the surface. Doesn't matter which side. If you drop, it sinks and then it comes back. That's pretty cool, huh? That's really a special little gadget. I use this iPhone 14 to record my fishing trips, and yeah, very often I need to take pictures of me fishing, always wondering, well, what if my iPhone 14 Pro drops into the lake? And then it's gonna be, not fun. So I went and I purchased this through Amazon. It'd be about, what, $25 or so. And it works, like you can see, pretty well. So I'm not gonna lose this anymore. All right, thank you for watching. If this have helped you somehow, consider subscribing, drop a like, add some comments and questions. I did not use, the included bags because iPhone 14s are already waterproof. So I'm just using it straight out. Very easy to fit in this. It wasn't hard at all. So approved. Thank you.